Well, thank you for joining me on this question. It says to consider the diagram shown at right, which shows point A on the ground and point B at the top of the tower. It says, what is the angle of elevation from A to B? So we want to place ourselves at A. This is where our eyes are, and we are going to be looking up at B. I'll just make that a little bit thinner. We're going to be looking at B from A, and if we're standing here at A, that's where our eyes are, and we're looking up, our angle of elevation is always made to the horizontal direction. So no matter where you are, whether you're looking down or looking up, it's always to the horizontal, never to the vertical. So the angle of elevation is this angle between the horizontal and the line of sight. So I'll just put that here. We've got our horizontal along here from our eyes, and we've got our line of sight going up. So it's an angle of elevation, and the angle in there is 25 degrees. So the angle of elevation is 25 degrees. Question B, what is the angle of depression from B to A? Well, let's have a look. We're going to put our position up here now. So now we're going to be standing up here at the top of the tower, and we're looking down. Our line of sight is still the same line of sight before, but this time we've got a new horizontal. So let's put the horizontal here, and there is our line of sight. And this time the angle of depression is in here from the horizontal. Again, I'll just make it clear. Where our eyes are, we always go from the horizontal down to the line of sight. And this also is a 25 degree angle. You will see the Z rule. If you see that the Z rule, alternate angles are equal. So they're both 25 degrees. And so they're both the same. So whether you're standing down here looking up or standing up here looking down, the angle of elevation and angle of depression are both 25 degrees. It says, explain how an angle of depression is different from an angle of elevation. Well, an angle of elevation, a depression is that you are looking down, and the angle of elevation, you are looking up, but both are from the horizontal. Okay, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.